So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. Where in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how you can output the OBS recordings or OBS screen to a secondary monitor. Now this is a very simple process. All you need to do is to just simply right click on this preview window that's appearing right in front of you. If you are in the studio mode as well, you can just simply switch. Let me quickly switch to the studio mode as well. Now here under the preview screen, just simply right click over there, and here you'll see this option of open preview projector. Same as with the non-studio view as well, just simply right click over there and click on this option of open preview projector. Now here you'll notice that you'll find all the displays that are connected. In my case there's only one display, so it's showing just the one display. And now if you have any other display connected via HDMI, you'll find the list of all the displays right here only. Now select that particular display and you'll notice that the preview have been transported to that TV or a bigger monitor, that whatever you have for the same. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.